Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. For this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, just put this tool inside this hole next to the slot, then slot pops out. So here we insert our SD card and here we insert our SIM card. So I bet that okay, so it's signed in some way. Okay, so it says that SIM 1 is here and SIM 2 is here. So let's insert SIM 1 and then put it back into our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also notification saying that SD card touch to setup, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.